What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So a question that I've been asked a lot is, when is the third Gen Camaro content going to be coming back? And today I'm going to answer some of those questions. But first, we need to clear out this garage and kind of shimmy some vehicles around so we can get the Camaro in the garage. As you can see, the Warrior's over here. We're gonna get the Camaro jumped and back in here. I'm just gonna ride it on the flat, get it into here, and try to figure out what all I need to move around once we kind of get through the doorway. We gotta move the Duramax, the snowmobile, and then the Jetta across the street, and then we'll get into talking about this third Gen. This is raw, uncut. I don't have a seat. The Warrior seat will do. Start up. Almost guarantee it's not going to start up right away. She doesn't sound too good. She doesn't have any coolant at all right now. So I'm gonna try to rush to get this damn thing inside the garage. Back.
4 feet?
Can the Warrior get out from there?
Why is it misfiring?
There's literally zero fucking coolant at all. We're doing it for Dale. Alright, she's in. Now we're going to start up the good old LB7, get the LB7 where the Camaro was, and then kind of directly in front of the garage door, we're going to park that Mark IV Jetta that I've been telling you guys about that I'm going to use as a daily here coming soon.
reverse and then put it into first manually. Now reverse, first, sorry. There you go. Just kidding. Hey. Reverse it the whole way around.
I can get it reversed to go right back where it was.
I don't want it in the yard.
I can't drive it out. There's nothing I can do. The main reason why we haven't had any third gen Camaro content is I have a lot of body work to take care of throughout the winter. So I kind of wanted to push it off, just leave it in the driveway till today, obviously, when I moved it into the garage so I can do all the body prep work in the garage over the winter. That way I still have some content for the Camaro throughout the winter. Especially like during the cold months, there's going to be a lot of times where like I can't really be doing a lot of work outside. I can, but I really don't feel like freezing my balls off. So with that, I wanted to kind of procrastinate it a little bit, give me something to do in the wintertime. I can throw a heater down in the basement and make some progress on that car. Obviously, the Duramax is a whole different situation. You guys, I don't know how well you'd be able to tell. It would drive, then kick out of gear, then everything just became neutrals across the board. Didn't matter what gear you were in, it was blinking and we couldn't move the truck. Now we got to baby it. Took literally about 10 minutes to try to get it up into the driveway, back down into a different spot. So it is parked in the driveway right now where the Camaro was. My primary goal is to get the third gen Camaro stuff done, bodywork wise, this winter. I want to get that fourth Mark IV Jetta running just so I have a daily for right now. Still, like I said, super torn about the LB7. I really want to fix it, but I want to take it to a shop, see what they estimate total repairs are going to be. I want to know what's wrong with the Allison, if it's just going into a limp mode causing it to do that, or what all along the lines is causing the issues that I'm having. At this point, it doesn't even matter that the injectors are going bad because it doesn't want to even stay in drive. So with that, we still want to do another project vehicle, a project. I told you I couldn't go one video without her coming in here and doing this shit. But I want to do another budget build like the Jeep, except do something a lot cheaper this year. So like I said, whether we do a Cobalt SS, 4th gen Camaro, a IDI build, like a Jeep Cherokee build. Yeah. We're going to be doing stuff along those lines this year, guys. So if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Motormouth, can you say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye.
All right. I will see you guys in the friggin' next one.